what is an AI agent at all? It is kind of like an AI employee that takes action on your behalf. Instead of you putting everything together like APIs, prompts, memory, browser automation tools, and workflows yourself, these platforms already gives you an agent that can browse the web, use apps or tools, remember context, execute tasks, generate outputs, sometimes even run continuously in the background, even if your computer is switched off. An AI agent has 4 ingredients. It has a brain. Usually it's an LLM like OpenAI's GPT or Anthropic's Claude, which by the way is my favorite, Google's Gemini. This handles reasoning and language. The second part is memory. It remembers prior steps, user preferences, task progress, and retrieved information. It also has access to tools. The agent can use things like browsers, APIs, spreadsheets, Slack, email, databases, and even execute code. And then a really important part is the decision loop. The agent continuously checks the situation, decides next actions, performs these actions, evaluates results, and repeats until the goal is done. And this is exactly what turns an LLM into an agent. It doesn't just tell you what to do or how to do it, it actually does it for you. I've created a full AI agent course for you. Just check out the link in the description.